Our Media is a special interest content company, home to brands that specialise in cycling, craft, home, garden, nature, science, and music. We want to help our audiences do what they enjoy by producing content that entertains, informs, and inspires. We combine our SEO expertise with world-class content to reach customers with high purchase intent and support them the whole way through their customer journey, whether that's via our how-to guides, best lists, reviews, deals, or news content. Our media are at the heart of our audience's communities, and brands we work with can choose to target audiences on a site-specific level, or they can target a specific audience across the whole of the Our Media portfolio. Really knowing our audience's behaviours has allowed us to split them into segments, and it essentially means that brands can target the right people at the right time with the right content. Our content sites experience different seasonalities, but specifically going into Q2, brands like Gardens Illustrated, BBC Countryfile, and Bike Radar really come into their own. We see huge spikes in organic traffic to these sites, just as we all naturally begin to spend more time exploring the outdoors during spring and summer. Our readers are looking to us to recommend, advise, and review on anything that will be useful during this time, and that, partnered with compatible brands, means that we can create content that's highly relevant and highly trusted. Essentially, we can partner with any brand that is live with an affiliate agency, and the breadth of content sites that we have here at Our Media means that it's highly likely that we have a fit for you, your brand, and your audience. We offer editorial opportunities and performance-based products, and we always recommend a hybrid approach to our clients where possible. 2022 is a really exciting year for us. We're continuing to develop our affiliate strategy and bring some new products to the market. So if this sounds interesting, please get in touch.